Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. Let's take a technical look at the euro versus US dollar. Today's date is August 3rd, 2023. What's going to drive your trading today in that currency pair? I'll tell you what's going to drive it. Probably this blue line right here. This blue line represents the 100-day moving average. And although the price did dip below that level down to 1.0912 low for the day, below that 100-day moving average by about 4 pips, momentum could not be sustained and the price rebounded back to the upside. We are trading back down toward it, currently trading 1.0925, and that level remains a key level. If we move below it and stay below it, we should see further momentum to the downside. So be aware of that level. That's going to be a key barometer for both buyers and sellers in trading here today. The first look below it failed. We'll see what happens going forward. Do buyers lean against the 100-day moving average? I wouldn't be surprised with stops, but expect stops below. On a move to the downside, I'm going to focus your attention to this yellow area right here. And if we go back in time and look at this yellow area, I'm going to keep on going back in time till it starts right there. If we were to outline all the different swing lows and swing highs in this area, there would be many, okay? And you can see how the market moves from having support against the level to resistance against the area. Admittedly, there are some moves above and below the level that sort of show little failures, like right here. But and it gets really tight through here as the market decides what it wants to do during this consolidation period right through here. But ultimately, what happens is that the price ends up finding support against the area right through here, and then we see it rotate to the top side, move to the top of this area right here, come down here before moving to the upside. So it's my next target area down to 1.0886 up to 1.08993. Be aware of that on a break of the 100-day moving average. That's if the 100-day moving average can be broken. On the top side, the price action since the initial test of the 100-day moving average yesterday has seen the price move above and below this swing area, going back to these areas, back through here, and it goes back further than that. But get above the 109.42 level and stay above that level. We could finally see that the buyers or the sellers turn to buyers, and we move to a retest of the 100-hour moving average. That's going to be a tough nut to crack. Why? Because each of the times the price has moved up toward that level, that 100-hour moving average, of the last 3 attempts, the price has found sellers leaning against that level. So anyway, support the 100-day moving average, break below that 108.86 up to 108.99. On the top side, if we were able to hold support here against the 100-day moving average and get above the 42 level, look for the 100-hour moving average at 109.839 and moving lower to provide resistance on the top side. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.